first step we're gonna do is take off the 3 bolts right here. I put WD-40 on them, that's why they look kind of wet. I'm gonna take the ground off them right here. Let's do it. Now that you have everything out of the way, you got 3 bolts, one right here, one right there, and then this one you're gonna have to take out this 10 right here and the 10 right here, so you can move this out of the way and take it out. So let me go ahead and do it real quick. Okay, like I said, we're gonna have to not remove it, but we could just move it to the side. See, now we have access to that 1 bolt. So let me go ahead and take this one, that one right there, and that one. So you guys have it, how to take it off, the old one. So it looks pretty okay for what it is, but we gotta upgrade it. Has a little bit of play in it, so a little bit of cracking around the outer side of it. Let's see the cracking right here. So the same thing, we're gonna put this one back on. Just like that, guys, we already took out the old one and put in the new one. Super easy. You follow the steps. Now it should drive better now that we have the front one. Let's see, now we have the front one, the side. We still gotta do the other 2. So let's get it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, found it helpful, leave a like, comment. If you want to see more Honda Accord stuff, make sure to subscribe. So let's get it. See you later.